What if your next classroom was Japan? Step into the world of robotics and artificial intelligence with the UVA Japan Robotics and AI International Internship Program. Work alongside robotics engineers, learn directly from AI specialists, and discover how intelligent technologies are transforming industries. Build hands-on innovation projects, solve real-world challenges, and experience Japan's world-leading robotics ecosystem through visits to cutting-edge innovation hubs. If you're passionate about technology, AI, and creating the future, this is more than an internship. It's your opportunity to learn, innovate, and grow on a global stage.